quick and look at it. Wait for it to focus.
Oh my god.
That view is crazy. Little houses out there.
Got the Xpect out today with the bald back tire. Hopefully I don't fall on these rocks.
I'm trying to keep up with Kenny and his knobbies. I'm not closing my visor.
It's bad. It's hot today for no reason. Oh shoot. Might as well hit this. Hit this. And let me tell you, it feels weird being on this Xpect
After riding that thing.
the CLX pretty much since I got it. I haven't touched this really. It feels good though. Oh god. Just tighten, oh what the hell? Just tighten the chain on it. Filled up the tire with some air, but oh my god. This is hard. Oh my god. Them ruts, oh my god. Probably didn't look like nothing on camera. Definitely something. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that, man. I don't even know where we are. As long as the Bluetooth recording, we good. This thing feels weird. It's got no back tire. It was struggling up there. It was really struggling. Oh. Oh my god. Hit that jump. Oh my god. Let's see him hit this. Back to the rock. Another jump right here. I ain't hitting this hard with rocks. Oh my god. Pretty cool. Damn it. I'm stuck. It's not the time, buddy. Oh, man. Really? It's not the time to not start. Oh, man. There we go. No back tires. I couldn't make it up that. I was going slow anyway, but still. Oh my god. This thing's acting up. Oh. Oh my
You
god.
definitely ain't making up that thing.
What?
Oh,
I might have to try it.
no.
I'm gonna have to bump start it down the hill.
Yeah, fine.
because when it gets real hot, it doesn't want to start, and it gets real hot off-roading because obviously I'm not going fast. Oh, nah. And that's a try. That one. So you see Kenny down there. Oh my god. It made it. Woo. That view's great. Let me get a view of this. Oh, what the hell? That view is crazy. Little houses out there. Oh my god. Now I'm about to bump it down this hill. I don't feel like getting off and kickstarting. It's already hot as hell, so I'm about to go back down and come back up because I turned it off by accident. Well, I had to turn it off, but I had to put it in gear to keep it from rolling. I made it up. I just got to make sure I don't lose momentum. The second I lose momentum, that back tire's not gripping anything. Yeah, you're going faster than me. Got some good knobbies on there though, so.
Alright, wait for me, I'll record you.
Huh?
Let me talk this parcel and I'll record you.
Alright. Coming up?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll wait down there. The bottom is the worst, man, because it has all these tiny rocks that you can just lose traction on. Like, look at my front tire, it's just going everywhere. I cannot control it. You're gonna have to send it though. Should have worn a jacket in case I fell. I didn't know it'd be all rocky though. Try to get in real quick. Nope. If it'll start now. Let's see. Nope. Now. The kicker. The kicker's number one. I didn't see no donkey.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is this the way?
Yeah.
Alright. How far are you? I gotta go slow. No worries. You said there's a dog. Right from the backyard. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. I gotta get to the right.
Oh, damn. This is so unstable on these rocks. Oh, here we go. A little bit of mud action. Dirt. Oh, 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 shoot. Big rocks here. Oh, let's avoid that one. Oh my God. Yeah, if you got an Xpect, you want to do stuff like this at a higher speed, just get some knobbies. I never changed them out to knobbies. I always put the originals on. Second pair. I got to get some knobbies now. I think it's time to really send it. Not have to worry as much about falling. Oh, oh my God. Keep it neutral. Oh. Oh my God, look at this. Treacherous. Oh my God, where the hell are we? Ow. What the hell? Out of here, you bug. That was treacherous back there. So many rocks up. Can't even shift. I don't got third. Shift into. Get out of here, bug. A flying beetle. Oh my God. This is nice though. Look at this property. I always said I wanted some big land like this. Look at this nice maintained grass. Definitely a farm or something. Oh, they locked us in, man. Oh, a dirt biker right there on the road. Oh no, they didn't lock us in. I don't know what this is. Trail keeps going to their backyard. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. We're on the road. Look at that, cattle dog. A dog for the cattle. Huh? Yeah, where at? Yeah, let's go. Gotta hit the woods now. Like, look at this. This is just a dream to me. Have some land like this. Oh my God. Do whatever I want with it. forgot. I got third. No woods. Heading to the woods. Heading to the woods. Yeah. Moving on the Xpect today. That thing just smoking. Smell from here.
This is actually the trail. Wait, there's the back end that you go to. This is the trail where I stopped the bike. Oh my god. It really does not know some back tire is nothing on it. Oh, tail down. Not gonna fall in the foot. Had to come over here because other woods had no trespassing signs with cameras. We don't know. Might have had cameras, so I don't know. Yeah, oh wow, this is where it leads to. And I don't want to get, what's it called? I don't want to get my plate on camera. I didn't have to go through there. What's this one? These things might look small, but they're definitely small little hill thing, but definitely sketchy, man. No back tire. Oh, this is kind of big. Oh my god. No back tire. Oh, mud. Get wet. Alright, this is the one where I fell at. Gotta see myself. I fell right there. I literally hit the right side. I thought the right side was the one that I should go through. I went to the right side and I literally just hit it. Boom! Fell right off the bike. Oh my god. And then this right here is where I sunk it. Went through this one fine. And then this was the one. It was huge, man. It was up to that root right there, or that stump. I went through it and just fell right in. That tire just went right in. From there, my boy with the quad, he was like, you see in the video, he was like, yeah, I should have told you not to hit the holes on this trail. Like this, I was thinking, man. This one's so quad. Came over here. I think I struggled over here. But that's when I had a tire, so it even works now. duck so low. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Getting hot. Getting real hot. I think Kenny went out to the front. Not really sure. Definitely carrying on. Oh, come on. There we go. Xpect, 400 miles away from 15,000 miles, and we still do it. Look at all this trash there. Come on. Use this place. Look at all this trash. Still do all the off-road. Put this on here. Park. horrible. Pretty brutal to me. Great. What are you guys doing? Sleeping out here? Try to make sure. Huh. How am I gonna make it through this? I gotta go here. Ooh. Whoa. This way. Got it rained recently. Water looks nasty. I always gotta account for the camera sticking out my side when I do these little tight trails. Always gotta make sure of that. Definitely don't have this trail. I'm trying to find this. I'm gonna be in a whole different trail. Oh my god! I didn't know there would be a puddle at the end of that. That's the thing there, and I was like, oh, it's a little hot track. Back over here, I just hit that not too long ago. Oh, that's definitely something. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's so hard. Oh my god. We're beat right now, dude. I took this thing out. Jaden's on the Xpect. Oh my god, we're beat. That thing broke down. It won't stay on. Good old 30-year-old Honda. Couldn't do it.
To fucking go slow with it.
Couldn't do it. Oh my god. It looked crazy when the clouds are coming in. Alright guys, I was riding the Xpect today, on and off road. We were just cruising in New Haven, like a little night ride on the street. I feel this clutch like starting to click. And look at it. Wait for it to focus. It just fried the whole wire. Clutch wasn't working at all. So, take the highway back from Hamden, and I'm flying on the highway. I get off the exit. Every single light's red. Every single light. So what I do is, you know how third gear is broken? It doesn't stall in third. So I put it in third, and then I gas it up a bunch. And right before I gas, the last gas up, I slam on the gear shifter down there, put it into second, just go. And I did that like 4 or 5 lights. Of course, every light has to be red. But I made it home, so now I need to put new clutch cable in it, but 15,000 miles, that's not bad. Clutch and tires, clutch cable, tires, and speed sensor, that's all. That was just crazy, I had to share that. Putting it into second, just throwing it into second from third, it was crazy. But I made it.